My name is Sami Awuyemi. Welcome to Phone Tech Channel. And in this video, I'm going to teach you on how you can edit your messages on WhatsApp. Maybe you mistakenly type a message and you want to edit it. No need to delete. Don't delete it. What you just need is to you just need to edit it. Let's go to our WhatsApp. You can see this our WhatsApp. You can see this is our WhatsApp that I want to edit. You can see I will enter, like I will just type here on something for you to see how I will do it. You can see I want to type how are you, but I just do this thing because of this tutorial. I tap send. You can see then I will what the next step is for you to click click again on this text. I'm going to click again on it. Then you are going to tap on this icon here by my right hand side, the three dots, then edit. You can see then you are going to rewrite your message again. Hello good evening sister, how how are you doing, are you doing for today. You can see that is how you are going to, you can see the message was edited for everyone this site on the latest version of WhatsApp. You can see that is how you are going to edit your own, and I hope this sound great to you. Please like and subscribe to this channel, our phone tech, and I will see you in my next video.